Hello everybody, this is Michael with Food Travelers, and in this mini we're sharing our experience staying at the Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas. And the room that we got is called the Resort 2 Queens, and this room size is about 550 square feet, and as you see in the video, it's quite a far walk from the elevator itself. And you can see that we're using a digital key through the phone app to open the door to the room. And that is one perk with staying at the MGM hotel groups, is that you can use the MGM app on your phone to get your assigned room before you arrive to the hotel. With the assigned room, of course, you get that digital key. So the pro of that is that you don't have to stand in line when you get to the hotel to check in order to go up to your room. Especially if you're arriving late in the night and you're already really tired, you just want to go to your room and take a nap or sleep for the night. That is a great pro of having this feature. I remember in the past I've also mentioned this before, that it's also a con having a digital key. Sometimes you just don't have the signal, or if there's something going on with the elevator and you can't get your digital key to work, you're just going to be sitting in the elevator riding up and down before you can select your assigned floor. The bathroom, as you can see, there's plenty of towels. There's a bathtub in here. There's also a separation door for the actual toilet itself, and you have all your amenities, a really large countertop area for anything that you need in that space. And it also does state that if you're removing the lotion or anything else in the bathroom, you will be charged for those items that are missing if you do decide to take those with you. Another nice part of this hotel is that there are two exterior closet space, so you and the friend that you're staying with can also use those space separately. With this room, it does include the basic amenities like the ironing board, the ironer, hangers, and also a in-room safe. And like I mentioned before, this is a 550 square foot room, so it's plenty large for 3, maybe even 4 guests to stay in here. And there are the 2 queen beds, which is really large and pretty comfortable as well. One thing I did want to mention is this room, for the temperature in this room, you cannot go below 65 degrees. I don't know why it's designed that way, or why they made it so you can't go lower than 65. 65 is still on the warmer side, but with the window design, they do have something called a fresh air vent on the bottom that you can open. Unfortunately, I couldn't really feel any fresh air coming through. It was still pretty hot through the night. With the desk area, there is this TV media hub station with plenty of charging stations and connection outlets that you can plug in all your amenities that you need. There's also a fully stocked mini bar including coffee and water, but those are additional costs, and they do have everything posted that it is additional costs. So if you really need it in the room, yeah, you're going to have to be paying for those items. So just be mindful of those things. Another thing I did want to mention with this room is it was pretty packed when we got here, and the walls of the room and the door itself is pretty thin. You can hear people walking by the room. You can also hear people talking next door or even across the hall. So if you're a loud talker, other people will hear what you're saying. So as for the view, we're sharing both a night view and a daytime view. So you can see the stadium across the street. There's also the poolside view and also the airport. So another con that I've noticed in this room is the bathroom door. The bathroom door has this really weird gap. There's just this gap. At the right angle, you can see the other person taking a shower, which is really odd and weird design. I'm not sure why it's designed that way. If you're there with other friends and family, yeah, you're just have to communicate with each other and to know that somebody else is in the bathroom. If you could overlook the flaws in the room and you think the pros outweigh the cons, definitely check this one out.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.